guys, today we're gonna tingnan my Toy Story toys. And don't forget, there's also the Raymond toys. The skeleton. Okay, first up, Gabi Gabi. Tapos, may tayuan sa, wait, ito, tayuan ng Gabi Gabi. Hello, I'm Gabi Gabi. Let's put Gabi Gabi over. I found up them, and here's Adrian. Ang liit. Look at the details. Wala yung planet kaya yung nandito. Wala. Okay, we got the Raymond. Yung may dorayaki. Meron sa yung tail. Ito yung mukha. We got Trixie. Okay, we got Trixie. May darkest colors dito. Pero na blend in on bed. And we got Slinky Dog. Slinky Dog. Look at that necking. Gagalaw tayo. Look at the ears. Also got that necklace. It's a necklace. And the tail is magnet. No, I think it's not magnet. It's link. And we got Forky. Kasama si Karen Braberty. Mali ba akong nagsabi ng name? Ito. Also got the flower on her head. At yung mga sulat ni Bonnie. Ito yung B. Ato, may sulat din yung paa. For Forky, walang sulat. Pero may hawak sa phone ng Spark. And let's put them over there. And here's Nobita. So, the Raymond. Dito sa Toy Story. Meron yung ganito. Okay, we got lots of Hugging Bear. Lots of Hugging Bear. Ay kaya color green to. Ano ba yun? White. Ay, hindi. Ewan ko ano ko. Okay. Ewan ko ba yung color green? Look into this pieces eyes. It's like it's gonna burn the toys away. Ha! And you got Bullseye. And you got Bullseye. Bullseye never talks to Jessie. Because he's a horse. But him, the pig ba, can talk, but he's an animal. And even Rex can talk, but he's an animal. And even Bunny at Ducky. So what Bullseye cannot talk? Also, meaning of Jessie, here's Jessie, riding Bullseye. Yo, la, hee-hoo, hee-hoo. Here's Prickle Pants, or Mr. Prickle Pants. Do you even notice this red? Why is it orange? It's supposed to be red. Not even notice this. It's a feather. And you got Souvenir from the Raymond. With a big mouth. And naamoy mo yung kilikili. Baho. Get the shoes. Minute of the Raymond. We're gonna get the other dreams. Here's Suzuka. And here's Giant. And don't forget Smarty Pants from the Toy Story. Kasama si Atlas. At kasama pa si Snappy. Remember that? You better shut that. No, you're not gonna say that. And we're gonna put them three over here. And don't forget about Woody, the main character. Toy Story. Tingnan natin ang main name. Wala. Meron pati sa yung stream before isira ng gabi-gabi.
Sa araw lang kaya gumawa. Sabi yung phone mo.
Don't worry, I will take that out of you. And don't forget about the funny part. Don't forget about the Potatoes family. It is Mrs. Potato Head and Mr. Potato Head. Make that scene. Look at me, I'm Picasso. I don't get it.
School na bukas.
Okay. Now we got Renny Lots. After the walls. Pero hindi din ito nabababa. It's only got the smile face. And we got Bo Peep with Buzz. Buzz Lightyear the Rescue. Also Bo Peep. Ganito nang gagawin. Okay. And the last one, it is Lily Pad.